Hey everyone, Ali G here, and I've got a question for you. When was the last time you looked at or created a meme and got paid for it? Now, unless you've been living under a rock, I'm sure you already know what memes are. And how could you not? They're literally everywhere and have become woven into the very fabric of our society. But did you also know that there's a way that you can use memes to get a ton of traffic to your business quickly? Yep, it's true. Those tiny yet clever little images have enormous traffic and profit-driving power. So much power that people just like yourself are using simple memes to generate hundreds, thousands, and sometimes as much as $30,000 per post. But that's not all. Major brands like Gucci are getting in on the meme craze and paying as much as $2,000 for a single campaign. And remember the famous GameStop stock market fiasco that was all over the news not too long ago? These Reddit users, known as Redditors, used memes to not only drive up the price of GameStop, but made major Wall Street firms lose billions of dollars, with some becoming millionaires themselves in the process. Needless to say, meme marketing can be an absolute goldmine if you know how to take advantage of it. For most businesses, they're overlooking the power of these images. But today we want to share how you can start tapping into the power of meme marketing and start creating crazy amounts of traffic for any business. See, today, attention is the new currency. If you can't grab your prospect's attention in fractions of a second, then it doesn't matter how good your product or service is, you'll still be doomed to fail. But if you could capture that attention quickly with an engaging meme and convert the traffic to sales, you're sure to succeed beyond your wildest dreams. So by now you might be asking, how can I create these kinds of memes that get me noticed by my target audience? Well, it used to be difficult. You used to have to spend a ton of time scouring the internet trying to find the right images. Not to mention, if you wanted a screenshot from a video, you'd have to use a number of various software apps. You'd also have to track what's working with memes, which memes are hot, which hashtags are trending and popular, just to have a shot at making your meme eye-catching and potentially viral. Next, you'd have to use multiple tools to create your meme as well as add any animations, which can be a daunting task in and of itself. And finally, you would have to find software that can schedule your memes to post to your social media profiles and accounts, which might charge you a monthly fee just for doing so. And that's only a few problems you'll encounter with the normal meme marketing tools available today. But even with all the above obstacles, we knew that there still was an incredible opportunity with memes. After doing the research and seeing how people were generating thousands per day with memes for their own business or by offering meme creation and marketing as a service, we knew we had to take advantage of this opportunity. Unfortunately, we couldn't find the solution we needed to help us get results quickly. So we got to work. We outlined everything we wanted in a software platform that would help us get major results from meme marketing. It had to be easy to use, simple for beginners, have templates we could edit quickly, find trending memes that are hot right now, and most of all, not be time consuming when it comes to using it. So after months of painstaking development and high costs, we're proud to say we've created that solution and we want to share it with you today. Introducing Memebuddy. Memebuddy is the #1 solution that gives you all the tools to create highly engaging, traffic-getting memes for any business, all under one roof. Best of all, Memebuddy works in only 3 simple steps. 1. Select a done-for-you meme or create your own meme quickly using the drag and drop editor. The done-for-you templates are included. 2. Deploy to your favorite network or site. 3. Watch the traffic come in and get paid. You could literally create traffic-getting meme marketing campaigns in mere minutes with Memebuddy. Now let's face it, using memes and getting results is and always will be a numbers game. Trying to have one meme go viral is challenging versus having 100 memes all working at once to bring you traffic. And that's why Memebuddy is so great. You can pump out 10 times more memes than you ever could without it and still have time for other activities. Add to that, trying to move the needle with your memes on multiple platforms, and the challenge to succeed with meme marketing grows even more. But with Memebuddy, you can tap into all 3 platforms and post your memes in just seconds. You can also schedule your meme marketing campaigns well in advance in just minutes. Use this to explode your Facebook pages, groups, and timelines in absolutely no time. Once you get going with Memebuddy today, you'll wonder how your business ever survived without it. Plus, Memebuddy is incredibly easy to use for the most non-tech savvy beginner, but even gets results for the most advanced marketers. Memebuddy is so packed with so many features that we'd spend another 20 minutes in this video just going through every single one. But for the sake of time, you can see everything Memebuddy has to offer as well as all the fast action bonuses that are included when you scroll down on this page. Listen, we all need traffic to make our businesses profitable. Memes are one of the best ways to get traffic easily and quickly by engaging audiences in ways that they love. think about it for a moment. Memes are great because they get past all the filters and people enjoy them. That's why they're great to use for advertising your products. But even if you wanted to take things a step further with MEMEBuddy, you can sell your meme creations or even set up your own meme creation and marketing agency with the special licenses that are included today. This way, MEMEBuddy pays for itself many times over, and you can help you generate a realistic, dependable, and scalable income on your own terms. So with that being said, go ahead and scroll down below and check out all the details on this page right now. See the done for you templates, the video downloaders, the automated scheduling, the easy meme editor, the animated emojis, the on-demand trending hashtags, and every other feature that MEMEBuddy is bursting at the seams with. And once you're done, make sure you sign up for your MEMEBuddy account today. But you'll need to act fast though, because the price of MEMEBuddy is going up every day, and once this launch period ends, we'll be shifting to a much higher monthly pricing setup. So use the button below now to get access to MEMEBuddy and get ready to create highly engaging, traffic-getting memes with complete and total ease. Go ahead, get involved, do it right now, and I'll see you on the inside.